Purchasing a home is often regarded as the most thrilling experience an individual or family will undertake in their lifetime. It's also the most complex.
Our mission statement is to provide a 5-star client experience before, during, and even after the sale. When I was a young sailor in the Navy, I tried to buy a home 3 times in 3 different states, and every time I was rejected for the mortgage. This is why I created NewHomePrograms.com, because I truly believe in the American dream of home ownership.
If you're ready to start the home buying journey, let's get familiar with all aspects of the home buying process from the experts at NewHomePrograms.com.
We've actually designed more than 11 programs that solve problems that people face when purchasing a home. One of the biggest issues or concerns that people have when purchasing a home is the financing part of the transaction. One of the most important aspects of financing is determining your purchase power. Your credit score will determine what type of financing you qualify for, and most importantly, the interest rate. Some of the parameters that you need to focus on when purchasing a home, specifically pertaining to financing. Number 1 is you need to have stable job employment. Most lenders require 2 years. The other thing that's very important is the amount of income you make versus the debt that you carry on your monthly credit report. Those 2 items by themselves will determine your purchase power. We understand that purchasing your first home may be the biggest financial decision that you've made in your entire life. Therefore, you need to make sure that you work with a real estate company and a real estate agent who's very trustworthy, because you're going to have to rely on their expert knowledge and their finance acumen to make sure that you get the best deal.
Not all mortgage programs are the same. There are a variety of unique and innovative options available to you.
We created our free home buying classes that we have on schedule every month, locally and even on Zoom. We've come out with a program called the Credit Enhancement Program, which is an educational piece designed to educate the consumer on the 5 factors of credit score. Another program that has become very valuable to our clients is the lease buyout program. A lot of our clients are actually trapped in a lease up to 12 months. We can actually negotiate with their landlord an early termination fee, and in the process of their real estate transaction, we can get that paid for on behalf of our clients. For some of our clients who may not have enough money for their down payment, we offer the solution through down payment assistance programs. Many states across America are offering an awesome tax rebate incentive called the Mortgage Credit Certificate Program. This program is so simple. It's typically based on a percentage of interest that you pay on your loan every year. You get a rebate according to that percentage. The majority of our clients are choosing to buy brand new homes for very specific reasons. The top reason is home builders have set aside an allotment of money called builder incentives, where you can use that money to pay your closing costs, you can get free upgrades, and you can also use it for interest rate buydowns.
Veteran owned and operated, NewHomePrograms.com is dedicated to helping those who've served.
Because we are a veteran-owned company, we do specialize in military veterans. The number 1 benefit that they have when purchasing a home is their VA Home Entitlement Loan, which guarantees that they put 0 down when purchasing a home. Not only do they get away with no money down, but they also get a below market interest rate and no private mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. Many new home builders are offering additional incentives if you're a military veteran. In our state of Texas, we also have specific programs for veterans that's designed to give you an even lower interest rate.
Proud to offer a 5-star client experience, guiding you every step of the way on your way to home ownership.
If you or someone you know is struggling with purchasing or even selling your home, please reach out to us, because we have more than 20 years of experience assisting buyers and sellers just like you. Not only are we a real estate brokerage, we own our own finance and even insurance company. We can bundle services to drive costs down for you.
To find out more about NewHomePrograms.com, visit NewHomePrograms.com and DesigningsPaces.tv.